This is the Total Control Products G-Connector system for early hardtop Mustangs and Cougars. The complete kit includes the TCP weld-in subframe connectors made of strong 2x2 box tubing that have a single mandrel bend to closely follow the contour of the factory floor, and the bolt-in center support connector, which effectively creates diagonal bracing across the undercarriage for extreme chassis reinforcement. The center section has a mount for a standard torque arm and mounting plate for an optional driveshaft loop, sold separately. The 7-gauge steel mounting tabs on the center connector offer slotted holes to allow for any chassis variances during installation. The kit comes powder-coated black and includes all grade 8 mounting hardware. For more information on this and other great products, check out TotalControlProducts.com.